better have probable cause before you run up on somebody in uniform. You don't have no reasonable suspicion because I'm on the same side as you.
A retired military veteran who is also a police graduate was confronted by a Texas police captain and a sergeant who accused him of illegally parking in an accessible spot. The officers also deemed him suspicious for wearing his police academy uniform and a fully loaded duty belt with a .357 S.I.G Glock 32. Then, this happened.
Can we see some ID?
No, what for?
I just asked you.
What's your probable cause to ask me for ID?
It does not have a handicap placard.
Read the plate, man. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Can we see some ID, please?
No.
I have never seen anybody wear a police academy
That's your business.
graduation after
That's your
they
business.
graduate.
I wear it all the time.
McQueen encourages the officers to look at the disabled military veteran license plate on his vehicle. One of the officers demanded to see his identification, saying that he had never seen anyone wear a police academy uniform after they graduate. McQueen explained that he often wears his uniform, and he repeatedly encouraged the officers to run his license plates.
That's your business. That's your business.
Graduate.
I wear it all the time. Do my training, and I can do that because I'm a graduate. I can wear the uniform.
Have
I can wear it.
Have you been certified as a peace
Of course.
officer?
I have my certification. What are you talking about? Why don't you run the plate? Why don't you run the plate? Run the plate, man. I gave you permission. And what did you see? You had to see the certification. Contact T-Cole. Why don't you contact them? You saw my name. Call T-Cole.
T-Call stands for Texas Commission on Law Enforcement, which serves as a regulatory agency for all peace officers in Texas.
Run his name.
Run it.
Run him.
Run it. Call T-Cole. But you have no justification of probable cause to run up on me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Who was the academy director when you were there?
Contact them.
Who is it?
Ask him. Navarro College, call him.
Well, the reason I did that,
Call him.
I know they just graduated.
Call him. You could have done all of that. You could have done all of that while I was inside.
I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are. I know about Joshua PD. I know. Yeah.
Okay, you know what?
Yeah.
When'd you graduate?
I don't have to tell you anything. Don't ask me any questions because I'm not answering.
Okay.
Yeah. What? Why? Why? You detaining me?
I don't want you to get hit by a car. Just
No. Then my question is, are you detaining me?
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so then don't tell me where to go. No.
Okay.
No.
My sergeant asked me to come over here, so I just
Okay,
came.
well, you need to find out because I'm going to walk away from you, get in my car, and drive away.
Well,
So you need to find out from him.
Okay. Do you mind holding off on leaving until I find out what's going on to see if you ask him? Because that's my captain. He's in charge of this. If I ask him, find out if they're detained or
he's not too smart because first of all, even you know, if I have disabled veteran plate, I can park in a handicapped spot.
Yeah,
even you know
they
that.
Just changed
No,
that.
they didn't just change that.
Yeah,
It's been that way.
Well, it started in September that it was that way.
No, sir. It's been that way for years. I've had this for 5 years. It's already been that way. And if he's a captain, he should have known that, but he didn't. He just saw this, and he saw this, and he wanted to make a problem. That's your reputation there, Joshua. Come on, man. Yes, it is. How many black officers you got? One.
Yeah, we don't have one right now.
One.
Yeah, but,
I know.
Hey,
And you barely let him in. You barely let him in. And your reputation is already bad. From years ago, you had a corruption scandal. You had to get rid of a lot of your old PDs.
That was way before I got here.
And you got one amongst your ranks. Are you finished? I gotta go. Are you finished?
He said 1 second. Where's the corruption scandal? The one where
Did you check T-Cole? Did you call Navarro?
he did call Navarro.
Okay, so then you're feeling small now, aren't you?
No, not a bit.
You shouldn't run up on people. You have no probable cause. If you wanted to follow me and run my plate, you could have done that.
Talk to anybody?
No, well, I don't have to talk to you.
And you did.
I don't have to talk to you. That's right. I already told you that. Waste my time and you. You're supposed to be a captain, and you don't know disabled plates have a right to park in a parking spot. And you violating people's rights, running up on them without probable cause. I'm in a uniform doing the same thing for you for free. So what? I don't care what he thinks. I'm a graduate and I have T-code certification. So I don't care what he says. I don't care what he says. I have T-code certification. I have T-code certification. Yes, I do. That's what you checked it. Who says who? My certification doesn't say expired. You want it to be expired because you see brown skin. So take a walk. Walk of shame. Walk of shame, Captain. Don't run up on me again. Don't ever you run up on me again. Do you understand? Do you understand? And learn the law. And learn the law. And learn the law. And you better have probable cause before you run up on somebody in uniform. You don't have no reasonable suspicion because I'm on the same side as you.
No, you aren't.
I have T-code. I'm a graduate of the police academy. Okay, just like you years ago. You probably couldn't even pass the test. Right now, you go. You get going. You get going. You get going. I'm a peace officer, and you had no probable cause. You had no probable cause to stop me. You had no probable cause. I have peace officer certification just like you. So go learn the law before you start teaching young people how to do the job. You're a bad example to the young fella over there. You don't even know the rules of parking.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more.